Yo, what is good, YouTube? This is now the game room tour slash streaming setup part, what, 4, 5? I've been doing this video since 2018 and I've upgraded a lot since then. I've got like 3 monitors now instead of 2. I've got my music recording studio over here, etc, etc. And I've got the new PS5 as well. So let me just give you a quick tour on how my room looks now. Alright, so this is my corner where I stream, and I mostly stream PlayStation games. I have a dedicated PC just for streaming. I don't play a lot of PC games, and I've just received this, the PlayStation 5. So I'm mostly streaming Spider-Man at the moment, Miles Morales, and I'm looking forward to get Devil May Cry 5 with the special edition with Virgil, and I'm looking forward for Resident Evil coming out next year. So I had my PS4 here before, but now I've moved my PS4 over to my big screen 40-inch Sony TV, as long as it blends in with my PS2, PS1 and PS3. So whenever I have friends over, we just sit back, relax and game different consoles of PlayStation. So let's get back over here. As I said, this is my streaming corner. Right beside it, I have my music studio and edit. I use my mic mostly when I edit my YouTube videos as well as TikTok videos now. I actually use Premiere Pro to edit some of my TikTok videos when I'm recording with this camera, the Canon 700D. And I use this bad boy right here, the Line 6 UX2, to record my guitar and bass for music projects, as well as music for my band, Capital of Nowhere. We've actually been on tour, so that was fun. That's our band, Capital of Nowhere. You can listen to us on Spotify, and this is our debut EP. Pretty cool. Oh, look at the stars up in the ceiling, skies. This is from Dream Room. It's like this thing right here in the middle of everything. It's called Dream Room. You can buy it on dreamroom.dk. And there we have my ring light, so people can see much more when I'm streaming. With the webcam, I've got the Logitech C920. It works perfectly. And I've got the Rode NT USB as a mic, and it is by far the best mic I've ever had in my entire streaming career, and I've been streaming for 2 years. So yeah. Hey, by the way, if you want to see me live on Twitch, the link is in the description box down below for you guys to check it out. Now, in the cabinet, I have all of my games and Blu-rays. So basically we have a lot of Blu-ray movies in there. Oh, hold on, let me focus. I've got a lot of Blu-ray movies, DVD, the King and Queens. So this was my main mic before. I loved it, but Rode is just so much better. This air duster, whenever you cannot clean small areas of dusts. Okay, right here we have I've got 2 PSPs. I've got a PS Vita right there. This is the Nintendo 3DS, all the wires and cables for it. I've got PSP games and movies over there. Way at the back, I've got all my PS1 games, PS2 games here, as you see. And if we go further down, oh, hello to Conor McGregor, Heihachi and Venom. Over here, we've got all the PS3 games at the back and all of my PS4 games, and look at that, 1 PS5 game. So I've got a lot to catch up with the PS5 collections, man. As well, I've got like 30 or 40% of my gaming collection of collector's editions over here. I've got 2 Last of Us Part 2 Deluxe Edition. I've got 3 Last of Us special editions for PS3. I'm a huge fan of Last of Us, so no judging. So yeah, I've got a lot to catch up with the PS5, man. I've got like, what was it? I have around 150, I think it was around 150 or 160 physical games, and 65 of those are just pure PS4 games. So I've got a lot to catch up with the PS5, man. Alright, and yeah, as I said, it is a small room. This is what I can work with as a family man. This is the room that I got to do my dream setup. I've got a lot of work to do, as you can see, guys. I've got those soundproof foam, but we need something there, man. I don't know what to like hang on the wall yet. Oh yeah, and this is our achievement as a band. Yeah. And I've got the soundproof on my door, man, because I just don't like the pure white door in the background when I stream. It doesn't look good. So I bought some soundproof foam. I'm gonna do something else anyways with the door. Oh yeah, this is my Fender guitar. Oh yeah, I've got an arcade stick for whenever I play Tekken. Guys, I think this was simply it. Alright, you guys, so this was simply my gaming / streaming setup. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about my setup here in my tiny streaming room. I hope to see you guys on Twitch whenever I stream. The link is in the description box down below for you guys to check it out. And let me know what you think about my small room Twitch setup thing. I would love to meet you guys in chat. So yeah, I'll see you all again next time. Peace.